Hello Jim Tech Buzz, quick first look at unboxing of the new Sony Linkbuds S. So we've got 360 reality audio, 6 plus 14 hours noise cancelling, high res audio wireless, and that's pretty much the box. Alexa built in, Google, iPod, iPhone, and that's pretty much it what's on the box. So let's have a look. So where is my knife gone? My knife seems to have disappeared, so I have to go the old-fashioned way with the nails and get it open like so. So these have got next generation Bluetooth audio, and we have got lots of new stuff on these, and we look forward to testing these out. They come in several colours. You've got Bluetooth pairing and fast plus swift pair, and you've got immersive sound, crystal clear calls, all that kind of stuff anyway, and we'll test them out and see. And we've also got some new sound for AR gaming as well, so all looks pretty good. Let's have a look. So you got a nice little presentation again. So you open up the front there like so, and this will slide out, and everything is here on the side, nicely tucked away. In here we have our tips, nice little drawers. You've got your booklets, hang on to those, and in here we have got our cables. Sony branding as well, which is good, and you have got Vietnam on one side and USB-A, USB-C, all good. And your extra tips, we might as well have a look at these as well. There you go, full suite of tips, pretty nice. Onto the case itself. So this has got a nice kind of sandy kind of finish with Sony up top, and we have got a light up front there, as you can see, and the earbuds are the same. I like these now, and they've got Sony on them as well. So we'll check the strength of the case. Pretty good quality there, and the magnets are strong. On the back we've got a USB-C port and a button there, so that'll be for resetting our pair. And as you can see, this light is red, and that's pretty much it there. But the earbuds do look really cool indeed, as you can see there. Just get a bit better focus. Really nice looking earbuds indeed, and looking forward to testing these out. Nice case, I love the case design as well. Though it's pretty familiar looking case, it's pretty much a standard affair, but it's got a really nice finish. It's not smooth, it's kind of a rough matte finish, and looks really well. And that's pretty much it. There's your magnets, both left and right. You can see our centers there for autoplay and pause. So that's what they look like in total, and yeah, pretty nice indeed, and an average size looking earbud too. They're not too big or not too small. So any questions, hit us up down below. We'll talk to you in a full review soon on techbuzzorder.com. We go through everything, the app, the whole lot, and that's it. So that's just a quick first look at unboxing of the new Linkbuds S from Sony. We'll talk to you soon.